Hello students, in this lesson, we will learn window elevation and section. These are rectangles that I want to make window elevation and section. Our first tool is window elevation. These are the window types. And these are the window style. First, we will learn types of window. With sliding window. Tu Sasha. Second, we make window with lintel beam. This is a windows with lintel. Third, window with sill and lintel. Sill is bottom of window, and the lintel is top of the window. You see window up and down, there is lintel and sill. This time we will learn style of window. Side, huge of window. This is side huge window. Last one is fixed window. Sliding window. These are the style of window. These are the sashes of bottom window. And these are up sashes. You can change the sashes of window, whatever you want. Just we learned types and styles of window. Just we make window as normally we made doors. These dialog box you can insert the parameter of window. Rectangular to window. We change this rectangular to window. This we will make as draw by 2 point. Our next tool is window section. Draw by select 2 point of wall to make empty place window section. This is window section. Second time we draw section window. I think you understand windows as perfect. See you again.